So nosy, she's in here. But I've been trying to get healthy because I neglect myself a whole lot doing hair. And I'm tired of it. Like, I'm getting to a particular age. I'm having a little bit of Perry symptoms. Look, why didn't I see this before? Perry symptoms. And I'm not trying to be going through no craziness. But I seen this. It was super duper. For two, because sea moss, I was looking up sea moss and it's not cheap at all. So, but I'm trying to go down this whole healthy route. So I got two. Oh, wow. I got sea moss gummies. Okay. And it says adults take 2 gummies daily as part of your daily routine. Kids 5+ take 1. Oh, you can give it to kids too. Chew well and enjoy the burst of flavor. But yeah. Well, I'm about to try it live. And they glass. But when I seen the deal for this is usually like $80. But for 2, you spend over $100. But not today. And I got the strawberry. And make sure y'all follow me. I got that, hit that like button, share. And I got the mango pineapple. So I originally seen this on the TikTok shop. People were taking it and saying how good they were feeling. And I was like, I want to feel like that. So I was like, let me get it, okay? So I just unboxed it. But everybody's doing this one first, the mango strawberry. So I think, which one y'all think I should? I mean, mango pineapple. Everybody's been doing the mango pineapple. And it comes with the strawberry. So you get 2 for 1. And it's perfect for vegans. No heavy metals, GMO free. Ooh, I'm excited, y'all. So it says enjoy 2 tablespoons as part of a daily routine. Keep refrigerated after opening. So which one should I open, y'all? Should I open up the mango pineapple or the strawberry? Again, I seen this on the TikTok shop and they was all talking about this mango pineapple. So maybe I'm gonna start with the strawberry. I got my spoon. And it's a superfood. So it's supposed to give you a lot of energy, give you all the vitamins that you miss, and get the digestion going. Because, like I said, I be doing hair, and them bowels don't be moving the way they need to be moving. And this expires next year in March. See? Ooh, the light's so bright. But let me bring it closer so y'all can see this. It's from True. It's True Sea Moss. Sea Moss Gel Superfood Strawberry crafted with minerals. Yes. And again, it was on a deal. So sis had to get it because I'm going down this whole. Start with the strawberry, sea moss, and then we're going to take this elderberry. It smells good. It smells good, but here's how it looks. Look, I'm trying to use the cap. So it says 2 tablespoons. I have a spoon. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to taste good or not. I'm more here for the benefit. So my dog over here looking like I want some, mama. Okay. It's not bad. I'm excited, y'all. This is how it looks. You can kind of taste the vitamins in it too. I'm not doing more than 2 tablespoons because 1, I want this baby to last. But it was good. And if for it to be like room temperature, it was good. So I can't even imagine once I refrigerate it, because after you open it, you have to refrigerate it. So yeah. And it tastes like strawberry. It tastes like strawberry with like vitamins in it. It's really good. It's like a puree with a twist. And I might just put this in the shake, but y'all